Does Aron secretly love sub items?
Okay. I would say, okay. He says no, but maybe he does. I'm not sure.
No, I do not love sub items. Just gets way too messy way too soon, so stay away from sub items.
Does Victoria have the most Trustpilot reviews among the team?
Yeah, Victoria is the review queen. All of our clients love working with her. No wonder why. She's amazing. So she just, every week, another review.
I have been here the longest though, so it kind of makes sense.
Have you ever accidentally deleted a column you shouldn't have?
Yes, I have. And I have actually had clients who have come to me and said, okay, I don't know what's happening, and they actually deleted their own columns. So yeah, the trash bin is always a good place to go in and restore them.
Yeah, I'm sure I have, but easy to restore with the recycle bin. So as long as it's within 30 days, so yeah.
Is color coding more satisfying than it should be?
Yeah, I think so. We all get way too much enjoyment out of color coding.
Definitely yes. I love it, and it's just very satisfying.
Does Lydia conduct the best sales discovery calls amongst the team?
Yes, definitely. I always feel like I'm super prepared after I watch any of Lydia's discovery calls, and she pretty much puts the solution right there. So I go into the kickoff calls very prepared.
Yes, she does. She collects all the information that we need up front, really helping us with a great kickoff and discovery call and helping get value to the customer sooner than later.
Have you ever accidentally deleted a column you shouldn't have?